Okay. Starting to work on this telly bit. And I got the jack disconnected from the plate. Pulling it out. And I'm just going to cut those two. Looks like a bridge. This here is the neck. Well, that was alright. This guy. And that guy. And then that back. That's the old control unit. But different than what I thought it'd be. I thought my soldering jobs were bad. This is not great. Okay. So now I'm going to pull this guy out. Get a decent look at it. See how this looks like yellow paint all over it. I don't know where that came from. See any yellow in the cavity. Pull this guy out. I have some copper insulation tape. It's supposed to be arriving tomorrow, but I'm kind of interested to see what this guy's going to look like. Start putting them together. No. I think that will a little different. Yeah. Rotating the side. Not pushing that up too hard. Alright. I'm hoping my label mic is working okay. I'm not getting bumped on too much. If it is, I apologize. Okay, we're doing this. And getting that up through. There it is. Oh, my finger's stuck there. Okay. That. Do that. I guess that's not going to fit. So it would. Okay, not a big deal. We'll do this. Okay. This is a little bit smaller outer diameter than the old one was. That should go right on there. Now, you don't want your electronics loose. And then we'll use a pair of pliers. Tighten this. Find out the best solution. That's on there. We'll screw that guy back down. Apparently the back plates here had already been replaced once. This is a new fitting here. And my washer's done. So that chime here in the background was. There. That looks pretty. Sticks out a little bit further than I wanted it, but that'll work. I think this one's pretty. Real pretty. What's this? Blue solder here I didn't see. Got it. I think this was originally a yellow Telecaster. You can see pieces of paint. Apparently, was what it was originally painted. It's not yellow anymore. I have no idea what year model this guitar is. I like it. That's the main thing. Oh, pots are up. May have to make a couple of new holes. Not a big issue. But that is going to look pretty. Very, very pretty. All right. So, let's see what this nail pickup is going to look like.